underwater house tour. This is the living room. This is the kitchen. This is the bathroom. Oop. This is the poker room. And this is my pool. Woohoo! Let's get out of the pool. This is the diving board. This is my His Mayonnaise and Instrument poster. Okay, where's my room? What the heck? I completely forgot that was a bag. This is my upstairs. This is my room, of course. I love watching Nyan Cat. My hot tub. Pretty nice in here. Suddenly the thing that usually I jump off of here. I'm not always hurt, but like, pumpkin. And this is my campfire. And this is my secret SCP room. I always go in here, and this, of course, is my creature. The dadding creature, of course. Every time when I walk in here, he's friendly, but when somebody else walks in here, he's not friendly. Okay. What else shall we check? I use my secret gem rock. My secret gem rock. My diamond rock, to be honest. I have to go through here every time so I can get back into where I am. The lights work. This right here is the... And then my meme posters. Yes, yeah. Statue of the owner. And then my Baldi poster. This is my garage. These are the oxygen tanks.